It's Mr. Burdick here, and I'm giving a tutorial on Nearpod. But first I want to say there's not enough time that I've been given for this tutorial for anyone to become a master of Nearpod. I can show you some basics. However, you have to have the courage to jump into this platform and just start using it. Sure, you're going to make mistakes, but you're going to learn from your mistakes. Nearpod can be a one-stop source for a whole lesson. Nearpod has so many features ingrained into it, which I will get into a few of them. For example, there is a Google Slide add-on, which I'll show you how to do after this presentation, so you can start doing lessons tomorrow. The screen that you're looking at right now, this is the main screen of Nearpod. And the first one is My Library. Well, every lesson that either you have created or you have copied will be in My Library. So these are all my lessons that I've created, like this one on Africa's 4 region. Then right here, you have reports. And it'll show you reports of what your students have done in the lessons. Here's an opportunity to do sub-plans. But I want to direct you to this, the Nearpod library. So you click on that. And Nearpod has thousands and thousands, I think it's up to 7,000 ready-made lessons. Let's say like you're in a hurry, or you have to be out, you need something for the sub, or whatever. Well, this is your go-to for a quick but comprehensive lesson. You can use this feature right here called the standards, so you can choose your state, which is of course Texas, and then you can choose your subject. Let's say like it's math, high school, and Algebra 1.6.c. Of course, I'm a social studies teacher, so I'm just playing around here. So you click on that, and it brings you to the lessons on quadratics. You can also search lessons by subject area. For example, social studies. Bring up all the social studies lessons. And you can also use the search feature. I'm going to click that. You can undo the search feature. For example, typed in War of 1812. And so this brought up all the ready-made lessons that Nearpod has for War of 1812. Okay, let's say like you want to create your own lesson. You like these lessons, but you want to create your own. You can also take any lesson that Nearpod provides, and then you can edit it and add in more slides or take out slides. So to create your own lesson, you of course go here to create. And you can either make lessons, you can take any video and turn it into a lesson. I don't know if you're familiar with Edpuzzle. I use Edpuzzle a lot. I use Nearpod a lot. I use Peer Deck a lot. But the way they do work the videos is it's a lot like Edpuzzle, where you can add questions embedded into it. Now, let's look at lessons real quick. Okay, when you open up making a lesson, you can add content and activity. So as you can see, we have a lot of content we can add into it. We can add in a video, slides, web contents, vocabulary, Nearpod 3D, BBC videos, S-Way, graphic calculators, VR field trips. I have a student at home who uses his VR goggles to do this. Simulation, slideshow, audio, PDF viewer, and here's all the activities. Time to climb, which is a game, draw it, collaborate board, open-ended question, matching pair, polls, quiz, fill in the blanks, memory test, and Flipgrid.